Good morning. We're getting ready to go outside and take care of some chickens and stuff. Oh boy. Oh boy. Looks like there's a lot of cock-a-doodle-dooing going on. Oh boy.
Honey,
look at this.
They did eat the...
How you guys doing this morning? Oh boy, you guys are getting loud. You guys sleep okay till last night? Huh? You guys sleep okay last night? You got the keys?
Yeah.
Never come out here without this in the early morning or when it's dark. Never after the goats were attacked. Alright, Thor, I'm coming. Let's go let them out. Good morning. How y'all doing? Come on out.
Hey, baby.
Come on out. Good morning. Come on out. It's a good morning. Here they come. Hey. They're coming out. Did everybody come out? Come on out. Come on. Come on. Aren't you going to come outside too? Where are you at? Come on outside. Come on. Come on. Everything's okay. Don't you want to come out? Get something to eat? We just got this big old 5-gallon water here. It does really good. Come on, girl. Aren't you gonna come outside? Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and tear this ladder off. We had to make it in a hurry because it was really dark outside, and I wanted to get that taken care of before the night fall. How you doing, Thor? Look at you. You are so big. Yeah, this 5-gallon water tank should last us, I don't know, at least 5 days, 4 days. Yeah. They've been liking perching on these sticks that I have cut here. So I think I'm going to put another one up over here. See if they like want to perch on this one too. How did I put that one on there? Well, that might not be long enough. Let's put this one, put it over here. Yeah. Take a real long one. Put this one right here. Good. There we go. There we go. Yeah. I could perch on that. See? Is everybody out? Yeah, looks like. Wait a minute. Well, okay. Oh boy. A speed demon. Hey now, you all stop fighting. Don't you start. You get crazy over here, boy, and I'll have to put you over there next door. Hanging with the chickens. But you guys got the, oh, still got a lot of food left. See, I made this big old tube here. See, and the top is actually on the outside of here, and we put the food up through the top, and then you can take the lid off, and then down in the bottom it just goes down. It's kind of basically like a gravity feed. Yeah. How you doing, Thor? How you doing? How you doing? You okay? Come on now. Alright, come on now. Today we're just hanging with the Australorps. I love the Australorps. They're a really good hardy bird. They have a lot of good energy, and they are good for meat and also good for egg laying. That's Thor right there. He's a big one. And that one over there, he's Achilles. Yeah, see how they like to go up there and perch on those. I told you. Now there's 3 of them perching up there. Well, thank you for joining us today, hanging out with the Australorps. And like I said, they're a hardy bird. They're good for meat and egg laying. We're going to try to get some chicks from these before we start taking on. Uh-oh, look at them standing up there. So we had to separate the other guys. They're over there in the other run. We're going to be selling them soon. But the ladies over here, they all are going to live a nice long life because we're going to be using them for egg laying. We have people waiting for eggs already. And the reason the roosters are over here is because we're also going to try to get some chicks also. Well, thank you for joining us here at Herbal Gardens Homestead. So you take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.